Hello guys, I moved to a new state just a week back, so this much only I could do in this short period of time. So this is how I do my meal preparation. If you do your grocery shopping according to your meal preparation or your weekly meal planner, you can not only save time but you can save money also, because you will buy exactly what you need and will not spend your money on buying unnecessary items. So like this I store my veggies. Let me show you one by one. So first I soak my veggies in warm water and apple cider vinegar if they are not organic, and then wash them again. After that I dry them nicely and cut and store them in glass containers like that. So here I stored my cauliflowers like this, and I put my kitchen towels under the container, and also above that it soaks the water from the veggies and keep them fresh as long as you want. So this one was cauliflower. Here you can see I kept carrots, and I cut them in such a way I can use them in salads also, in curries also, in sabjis also, even making vegetable pulao or fried rice also. Okay. Then here I stored my coriander leaves like this. This keeps my leaves fresh and green for 2 weeks, even more than that. But here the amount what I am showing to you, it's for 2 weeks. So let me open this for you. Here I cut. See how nicely it has been there. From I did this on Saturday and today it's Monday. Okay. Sorry for this. This one contains all colored bell peppers. See how fresh they are, and it is very easy to use in every meal if I cut like this and keep it stored. Here are some veggies that I don't like to cut and keep, because somehow I feel that it doesn't contain its freshness if I peel them. So these are few veggies that I don't cut and store. I wash them nicely and store in my fridge like this. So here are the bottle gourd, and here is the eggplant, and the bitter gourd or karela. I washed them nicely and dried them and stored like this, because I boil them. Most of the day we eat boiled bitter gourd, so simply I take one and boil each day. And here are a few things that also I don't cut and keep. These are the cucumbers, tomatoes, and lemons. I don't cut and keep onions also. Other things all I cut and keep. And here I will show you how I cut and keep my green leaves. Just give me a second. You know what is inside? These are methi leaves. We consume methi almost every day or every alternative day. They are rich source of folate, the iron source. I washed them, then dried them, then cut and kept like this. This is for 1 week. And there are some leafy greens, those I am going to use for 2 weeks. I didn't wash them, like celery. I just cut them and kept like this in paper towel. This keeps the freshness. I'm trying to open it and show you. Can you see how fresh is this? So these are my celery, Chinese celery this is. And in the same way I store tulsi. I just label the paper like this, so in the morning I don't waste my time, I just grab whichever I want. Actually I use mostly every greens daily basis. Okay, there are some things that also I like to share with you. In this way I keep my green chili, ginger and garlic, so they are always ready to use. I make curd every day. This is my homemade curd. I love it, and the rich source of good bacteria, lactobacillus. Okay, now I will show you some more meal preparation. See, can you see? Like this way I soak my beans. I kept some green beans for sprouting from yesterday night. It will be ready within 2 days. So these are according to my this week meal plans. Within very short period of time I was able to do this much. Otherwise I make some chutneys and fermented batter also and keep them in refrigerator to use throughout the week. But in this weekend I couldn't manage this because we are very new to this state, and it's only 1 week, but I'm sure that by the next week or after that I'll be able to make that. I also roasted some makhana for our snacks and made curry leaves and flax seeds powder so that I don't forget to use them in my meal. So they are also ready. Thank you guys for watching me, and if this video will help you, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much.